Dad, wait! Don't knock down the card tower yet!
Why, son? What happened? A moment ago you were telling me to push it. Go on, knock it down. Why'd you stop now?
Dad, Mom hasn't come yet. Let her come first. Once she's here, then we can knock it down. Look, she's here now, okay? You can knock it down.
All right, I knocked it down. But tell me this, son. Why are we knocking it down at all? We worked so hard to build it.
Because, Dad, when little kids see the cards fall, they get super happy. That's why we knocked it down. And don't worry, our hard work won't go to waste. These kids will definitely like and subscribe for us.
No, they won't. They don't even know how to do that.
Dad, these kids are smarter than you think. They'll figure it out in seconds.